Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Meezan Bank mobile app login problem using an app phone. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using the official app. Open the App Store on your phone and search for Meezan Bank and check if the app needs an update. If you see update, tap it and old app versions can cause login problem. Make sure your internet connection is working. Scroll down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, open the bank app on phone. Enter a user ID and password. Carefully remember passwords are case sensitive, so capital letters matter. If you forget your password, don't worry. On the login screen, tap forget password. Follow the step to reset it using your registered mobile number or email. If the app still doesn't let you log in, try this. Close the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the app. Then restart your iPhone. After restarting, open the app and try logging in again. If you are still facing issues, the bank app servers may be temporarily down. Wait a few minutes and try again later. And that's it. These are the simple way to fix Meezan Bank mobile app login problem on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.